What do you want from Allah? You know, when someone makes dua to Allah and there's a doubt, can He really answer me? مَا قَدَرُ اللَّهَ حَقَّ قَدْرِهِ. You didn't give Allah His due estimation. When someone is pulled, I don't know if, am I going to really realize like His Jannah and what Allah is promising, is it really going to be there and is it really going to be all worth it? مَا قَدَرُ اللَّهَ حَقَّ قَدْرِهِ. You did not give Allah His due estimation. When a person seeks forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they say, I don't know if Allah is going to forgive me or not. I have some really big sins that I've committed. مَا قَدَرُ اللَّهَ حَقَّ قَدْرِهِ. You're not giving Allah His due credit. You're not giving Allah His proper estimation. All of that means a greater hope in Allah, increasing your hope in Allah. When you diminish your hope in Allah, what you are really doing is you are suggesting a deficiency on His part subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has no deficiency. And so, dear brothers and sisters, with Laylatul Qadr in particular, if Allah increases the estimation, the qadr of Allah, the power of Allah in our hearts, the share of Allah in our hearts, that is a sign of an accepted Laylatul Qadr. And if there is an observable increase in your sacrifice for Him, an observable increase in the share of your faculties and your means that you allocate towards Him, and a greater increase in your hope in Him, then that is an increase that we seek in Laylatul Qadr. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us amongst those who observe Ramadan, who observe Qiyam, who observe Laylatul Qadr, who realize its full reward, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward us with what we cannot comprehend in this life. وَالْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ وَأَبْقَى. What is greater than anything we could perceive, and what lasts beyond our perception, what lasts eternally. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us the full reward of it, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive our shortcomings, because mercy is befitting. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward us despite the deficiency in our deeds, because generosity is befitting to Him. He is Al-Afu Al-Kareem. Allahumma innaka afuwun kareemun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anna. Oh Allah, You are the one who forgives. You are generous in Your mercy and forgiveness, and You love to do so. So forgive us, O Allah, for everything that we brought forth. Allahumma ameen. Aqulu qawli hadha wa astaghfirullaha li wa lakum wa lisa'il muslimin fastaghfiruhu innahu al-ghafurur rahim.